Bitcoin broke above its previous all-time highs like we have been predicting, guys. I'm going to show you the exact levels Bitcoin needs to hold in order to be bullish, to continue to look bullish right here and to go to our next resistance level at approximately 68,000 US dollars. Then guys, we are also going to have a look at another altcoin which is showing a very interesting reversal pattern, which is a Adam and Eve reversal pattern. And this altcoin, if you would trade this in the Bitcoin comparative, might be one of the best chances to increase your Bitcoin holdings in the near future. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now we start off with the Bitcoin price action, but before we are zooming in, guys, let's take with every single one of us 1 single minute. Scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. That is super much appreciated. Then for every single one of you who has not been subscribed to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. But guys, a quick reminder, and that is that the trading course that I've been creating and that right now is available with a discount of $100 US is only left for 4 days. So you have 4 days left to take advantage of enrolling for my cryptocurrency trading course with a discount of $100 US using the code blockchain100. And if you want to know the curriculum of the course, if you want to know every chapter of the course, what's inside this course, then you can find all of that information on the blockchaintoday.com. I have a link to my website down below in the description as well. But okay guys, let's go to the Bitcoin price action. So yeah, we have been saying, like, the moment if we were to break above this declining resistance in the RSI, then that is the moment Bitcoin is going to start a rally and is going to go for new all-time highs. The thing that I've said as well, guys, which was quite accurate, I have to say, is that the moment we break that level, the moment we break this declining resistance and the moment we break above the previous all-time high, that is going to be the moment that we as well going to see the concentration of liquidity being back to Bitcoin in the shorter term time frame. And that is as well what we have been seeing, right? We have been seeing that bullish divergence and the Bitcoin dominance was increasing the moment Bitcoin was breaking out. So that was actually quite nice. Right now we are seeing different signals again, where liquidity after Bitcoin is cooling off in this in this rally, we are seeing liquidity being spread again. So people actually basically taking profits in altcoins after the Bitcoin rally. But what is happening right now, guys, with the price of Bitcoin? What is going on basically? So first of all, we broke above previous all-time high at approximately 61,750. And normally it makes sense for the price to come down and test this level again. We can see that this level has been acting as resistance as well. It has shown a lot of significance, which makes a lot of sense. The moment we broke above it, we saw this nice green candle, a reaction in the price, something we want to see actually. Right now in the immediate short-term time frame, we are seeing Bitcoin slightly coming down. And let's have a look at the 1 hour time frame. Then guys, when we have a look at the 1 hour time frame, then we can see that Bitcoin has been forming a bearish divergence, right, creating higher highs right here, lower highs right here, and this could mean that in the shorter term time frame we could be seeing some selling pressure on the price of Bitcoin. And the most important level for Bitcoin to hold in this formation is of course the previous all-time high right here at approximately 61,750, depending a little bit on which chart you are watching. But yeah, if we were to break below the previous all-time high decisively, then that could spark some panic and could spark a sell-off. So that is something to watch, I think. If we have a look at the 4 hour time frame and we have a look at the most important support levels right now, I think the most important support level right now is of course the uptrending support of this rising wedge pattern. If we were to break that level decisively, then that would be definitely a bearish sign, especially when we are seeing increased amounts of volume and a reaction in the price. However, we are far from that level. I think the first level that Bitcoin, if Bitcoin is going to see some increased selling pressure and is going to test some levels we are going to test the previous all-time high right here at approximately 61,750. If we can see a bounce off from that level, guys, Bitcoin is going to our next resistance at approximately 68,000 US dollars, which is the top of the rising wedge pattern here, the uptrending resistance. Then, guys, I do want to bring out one warning right here, and that is that we are seeing a very, very high funding rate. The funding rate daily right now is 0.51%. That is a high funding rate. We are not seeing that often, and normally when we are seeing a high funding rate, guys, that can actually cause quite volatility to the downside. So you have to be careful of that. That normally it doesn't mean that the trend really is going to change, but it can mean that the long and short ratios is not healthy right now, and that we are going to see a kind of shakeout where the price is going down in a quick fashion to shake out a lot of long positions, and to scare a lot of people and then continue its uptrend. That is a event that can happen with such a high reading on the funding rate. I would always suggest to be careful with high leverage long positions. Then, guys, we go to the next chart, which is one of the most important charts right now, I think, and it's Chainlink in the Bitcoin comparative. And if we have a look at Chainlink on the Bitcoin comparative and we go to the daily time frame, then it actually looks like we could be forming a Adam and Eve formation. So let's basically just look at the price, and let me get rid of some drawings right here. We have been actually talking a lot about Chainlink in the Bitcoin comparative, and if we have a look at the structure right here over the past since November of 2020, actually we can see that we are forming a V right here, continued with a potential cup. And normally when we have a look at the textbook, that's called a Adam and Eve pattern, and an Adam and Eve pattern is a reversal pattern, which actually makes sense, guys, if we have a look at Chainlink in the Bitcoin comparative, because we have seen a capitulation from the top till the bottom. We have seen a capitulation of approximately 80%, and as most of you guys know, that is the time where I'm really starting to get interested in altcoins after seeing such a capitulation. And we already hit our buy zones of Chainlink multiple times. We had our buy zones right here when we had this bullish divergence very early on. We actually catch the bottom, guys. Then, guys, we exactly sold right here because that was a 50% Fibonacci level from my head right now. Yes, it was the 50% Fibonacci level. So we actually didn't call this at the top, but we basically knew that we are going to see some resistance from there. So we closed our Chainlink position right here, in the hope to get more Chainlink at a cheaper stage. So finally we got back at a new buy entry right here, which was an amazing buy entry. Again, was kind of the bottom we are seeing right now, and Chainlink in the Bitcoin comparative right now look like it's reversing and continue this uptrend. But the interesting thing, guys, right here is that we might be seeing a Adam and Eve formation, which normally is starting with a V shape, something like we have seen right here, a big drop, a big increase, a V shape, followed by this cup. And that cup, the bottom of the cup, is higher than the bottom of the V shape. And guys, when we have a look at the moment of confirmation, this Adam and Eve pattern, that is of course the moment we are breaking above the neckline. And where's the neckline right here? Well, I would say the neckline would be, textbook wise, the neckline could be right here, but that would actually be quite a high neckline, right? But we can see some confluence, the Adam and Eve pattern, the middle between the transition from the V till the cup, so to say, is getting rejected from this level, and this level has been former support in the past. So that would be the ultimate confirmation, so to say. But I do think, guys, that we actually can see a confirmation early on, because we are seeing some confluence in some very important key levels. And that is, let me get rid of the drawing right here, and that is this level right here. We have a declining resistance in this declining channel, right? And we have a horizontal probably resistance, important support resistance level, which has been acting as resistance in the past, but also has been acting as support the moment Chainlink was trading above this level. And these two lines, they are converging right here, approximately where Chainlink is going to right here in the near future. I think, guys, if Chainlink were to break above this level, so also break above the declining resistance of this declining channel, then that would definitely be bullish and could suggest that we are going to start a brand new uptrend right here. Of course, in combination with this nice reversal pattern, the Adam and Eve pattern, and yeah, could indicate that we start a nice brand new uptrend in the Bitcoin comparative, which would be very, very bullish, of course. And if yeah, the Bitcoin dominance would continue to decrease, then we might be seeing Chainlink yeah, surpassing its previous all-time high in the Bitcoin comparative, if we are seeing something similar like we have seen in 2017, where a lot of liquidity in the crypto markets was divided, went into altcoins. And yeah, I think if that is going to be the case, we definitely can see Chainlink getting above previous all-time highs right here. But the most important part is that we are going to see, yeah, this reversal where actually Chainlink just sees a reversal from this this capitulation, this decrease, this downtrend in the Bitcoin comparative into a new uptrend. So guys, this is a very important chart in the Bitcoin comparative right now. The resistance above us is at approximately 64,000 Satoshis. And if we were to break above 64,000 Satoshis decisively, then that would be definitely a bullish sign. And of course, the ultimate confirmation would be right here at approximately 73,000 Satoshis. But yeah, you can write that the Chainlink as well up to this level once we have broken that resistance. And guys, of course, I hope that the majority of you have followed me right here and opened a Chainlink trade the moment we have seen we've entered our buy zone. If you did that, guys, for everybody who've opened a trade right here, right now you are up approximately approximately 22% on your trade. So that is actually quite powerful, guys. Then let's have a look at a couple of other altcoins we have been looking at. And first of all, I've been presenting this huge opportunity in Litecoin in the Bitcoin comparative, right? And so far, guys, the moment I have been showing this opportunity, we are already seeing quite a significant increase in Litecoin. And let's start off with the weekly time frame to show you what I've been pointing out right here. And that is that we have seen a bullish divergence. So right here we have seen it in 2018. Right now we are seeing it in 2021, where the price is actually setting lower lows and the RSI is setting higher lows. Last time we have seen a similar situation. The Litecoin in the Bitcoin comparative has seen a rally of approximately 160%. Right now we are seeing even a more impressive one, right? We are seeing lower lows in the price, higher lows in the RSI on the weekly time frame, showing us that we could be seeing a reversal any moment right now. And yeah, I've been talking about this exact level due to the fact we're breaking above a horizontal key level. And yeah, so far that trade is actually up. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame, which is actually really interesting, guys. Like right here, I have been mentioning about Litecoin in the Bitcoin comparative. I've said if we were to break above the horizontal resistance, then there are two things you can do. You can trade the moment we break above that horizontal resistance, or you can catch the retest right here. Either way, if you did one of those, right now you would be up approximately 12% in the Bitcoin comparative. And guys, this is spot trading. This is not leverage trading, so it actually carries way less risk than leverage trading. So in the bull market, you definitely want to be concerned trading altcoins in the right periods. Then guys, let's have a look at Monero in the Bitcoin comparative, because I have been presenting a nice opportunity in Monero in the Bitcoin comparative as well. Then we can see on Monero we had a similar situation that what we were seeing at Litecoin, and that is a nice bullish divergence right here on the weekly time frame, where the RSI is just setting a higher low, price is setting a lower low, and it's showing that we might be seeing a reversal right here. And so far we also have seen a nice pump in Monero in the Bitcoin comparative. So guys, these are definitely charts that are very interesting right now. It looks like a lot of liquidity in the near future is going to altcoins. That is something that the Bitcoin dominance chart is telling us, but as well something as what the altcoin charts are confirming us, and it's as well exactly something which we have seen in 2017, the moment we've entered the retail phase of the bull market, where I think we are in right now as well. I think right now we've just entered the retail phase. Lot of people, lots of retail investors are entering the markets right now. They have a higher probability of speculation. They want to take more risks because they want to get similar gains in Bitcoin or in the crypto markets, which you could get if you would be an early investor on Bitcoin. And of course, after seeing all these percentage gains, everybody's hunting for that. That's why the amount of speculation is increasing once retail investors coming. If you have a look at the behavior of institutional investors, especially in the beginning, right, then we can see that the majority was mainly focused on Bitcoin because the institutions, they are betting more on the safe horse, right? They want to have more. They want to have more confirmations. They want to have more certainty, more safety in their investments. And when retail investors are coming, most of the time we are seeing increased amounts of speculation. Actually, exactly what we are seeing right now. And I don't know about you guys, but in my direct environment, lots of people who has nothing to do with cryptocurrencies, they are texting me, or I see it in group chats, or people I meet outside, or people or some conversations I heard from strangers where I'm not involved in. I think a lot of things are actually about crypto again, which reminds me a lot of what we have seen in 2017. And guys, I'm very interested in your opinion for every single one of you who was here 2016, 2017. Let me know what you think. How is it going in your direct environment? Do you feel that similar vibe that we have seen in 2017 as well, where if you would go to a bar, you won't see the guys being busy with the girls. No, you will see the guys being busy with showing the blockfolio, refreshing the blockfolio, looking at the gains, right? And there's one main thing, guys, which a lot of people don't really realize. A lot of people, they think that retail money are not going to go into profit. They are entering in the latest phases of the bull market, but it's true that they are entering at the latest part of the bull market. That's the moment when it also has hit the mainstream media and so on. But it's not true that retail is not going to make money. If you have a look at 2017, guys, retail investors are going to make money. They are going to make massive amounts of money, especially the ones who were a little bit early in the retail phase there. They are going to 2x, 3x their investments. However, it does indicate that we are in the latest phases of a bull market, and most of the time the majority of the retail investors will eventually be in a loss. So that means that they will be pouring money into the crypto markets, mostly into altcoins, because altcoins are cheaper coins than Bitcoin, and the potential returns on altcoins are higher than on Bitcoin. So retail investors are more likely to speculate into altcoins, and that is one of the reasons why they are as well in a loss later on, because eventually when we are seeing a cycle top, right, altcoins tend to perform actually quite worse in the US dollar comparative as well as in the Bitcoin comparative, if we were to enter not a bear market again later on. So guys, this is really macro perspective talk right now. I'm just talking about having a conversation with you guys about what I'm seeing right now around me and what I think concerning market psychology and concerning the market phase. I think where we are in right now and what we might be seeing in the next 6 months, and what we most likely are going to see in the next 6 months is a accelerated uptrend in Bitcoin and altcoins. We are going to see a lot of increase in altcoins in the Bitcoin comparative due to the fact that this speculation is going on. We have seen that as well in the later phases, in the last 6 months of the cycle in 2017. So guys, with that, I want to end this video as well. Let me know, guys, if you were there in 2017. Let me know if you see any similarities with the cycle right now. And I'm not talking about the structure in the price. I'm really talking about your environment, friends you are talking to, people you're talking to who have nothing to do with crypto, and so on. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. But okay, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, guys. If you all enjoyed it, make sure to scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. Very much appreciated. For the ones that haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Then for the ones that are interested in my cryptocurrency trading course, right now you have 4 days left to enroll for my cryptocurrency trading course with a $100 discount. More information on the blockchaintoday.com, link down below in the description as well. Then for all the traders out there who are interested in trading Bitcoin or a variety of altcoins, I'm recommending 3 exchanges. They are down below in the pinned comment. And yeah, if you sign up using my affiliate link to one of those exchanges, you will get an extra bonus. Then guys, I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day, and I will see every single one of you in the next video.